So in this video I want to show you how to create a Microsoft transform file to complement the Intelligent Hub agent so we can enroll Windows 10 devices using a GPO. So first of all, we need to download the Windows SDK installer. All the details in the slide. Just Google Windows SDK download. You can download, just install the MSI tools. Once it's installed, go to the path there shown on the screen to install Orca. Once it's installed, you will find it in this location to be able to then run that Orca application, which we will then use to create our transform file. Okay, now we've got Orca installed, we can create our Microsoft transform file. So the first thing you need to do is open up the AirWatch agent MSI. If you don't have that, just go in your browser on a Windows 10 machine to getws1.com, where you can then download. So in here we need to go to Property and create 6 new fields, which are going to be our answer fields, or rows as they're called. Before we do that, we need to create a new transform so it knows we're creating an answer file. So add row. So we need to create one first of all called username. Now this will be our staging name and password, which I will show you in a screenshot now. So our username is the UPN shown at the top, and the password is the secret shown at the bottom. So we add our username. We need to add a value for that username, so that'd be the one you've got from the console. So it'd be something like staging at your OG. We need to create another row called enroll. With a value of Y for yes. Another role called server. So this would be our server name, DS whatever your server is. Our organizational group name. I don't think it needs to be uppercase, but I just kind of like to keep it that way. And then the password for our staging user, which is shown in the screenshot where you can get that from. And then if you're using Active Directory and the Active Directory is connected to your UEM console, we can assign the device on enrollment to the currently logged in user. So if you're logged in as Fred is Active Directory user, your Windows 10 machine is joined to your Active Directory, and your UEM console is also joined to your Active Directory. When we enroll, it will not enroll as a staging user, enroll as Fred. Put that value of yes. Okay, so that's it. That's all we need to do. Now we need to save our transform file. Already created one earlier, so I'm giving it a new name. So that's it. That's all we need to do. I'll show you in another video how to deploy the agent and the transform file using an Active Directory GPO, so we can silently enroll a Windows 10 machine without the user having to have admin rights.